F-Zop 50 gonna be super fast.
What's up, YouTube? It's me, Captain Yellowstone. You're watching the F-Zop 50 channel. Today I am getting,
Of course, the F-Zop 50.
ready for a mud bog I was invited to by a friend of mine. You might know him as Curt, or Mr. Busted from Busted to Built YouTube channel. Great guy, great friend. Anyway, he invited me to a mud bog coming up. And one of the things I'm concerned about this truck is that open element air filter. It has a tendency of flinging water off that fan directly into the air cleaner and essentially drawing into the effluent. So something I've been wanting to do for a while. I think I might as well go ahead and do this because I have no idea how deep the water holes are going to be in this mud bog, but I'm going to do what I can to keep water from being ingested by this motor, because I tell you what, it does not like it. So to do that, I'm going to use a, made in China special eBay cold air kit for a slew of modern Chevys on a carbureted old Ford, but I'm going to use a carburetor hat. And here we'll pull the old air filter off. It's fine. Pull that ring off. Let's see how the hat fits. Sits right on my wires there. Now I could put that plastic ring back on, but I did buy a nice aluminum one. I actually anticipated this. Then I got a nice O-ring on the bottom. Let's see how that fits. Alright, let me tighten that up. Shoot. Now my thing's too short. But I remember I got something somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Can't believe that's right on top. Alright, cool. Alright, I had this extension when I had a Mustang 2. I had like a real tall valve cover, or air cleaner on it. I had the extension for it. I got rid of the Mustang, I saved the extension. And that, oh, perfect. Hey, work's getting done up there. All right, let's see what this kit has in it. Got some couplers, big elbow, another coupler, a pipe. Oh, wait a minute. All right, pipe. We'll get there. Big ass filter. Oh, this is an air box, I think. Yeah, for sure. Oh yeah. Pretty sure that fits. Oh yeah, like so. Yeah, you get the picture. Oh, that don't fit on there very well. There. There we go. I'm sure if I had a Chevy, these mounts would do something for me. That almost fits. I think I want my air filter a little closer to the corner. Yeah, so I know this is where I want everything. Everything looks pretty good line. So I will go ahead and mark my holes down here. Holes are marked, so I'm going to screw this thing down, and I know that's where everything's going to start from. Now this piece bolts in here somehow. I'm guessing this way. Obviously it's too long now. There's about 9 inches. Bolt together like this, run a screw through there. Call her good. I mean, it's not at all going together like it's supposed to, but I mean, it's supposed to go into like a Chevy product. I think we got something going on here. Some people say these are cup holders. I say they're hardware holders for when you're working on a Ford. I just gotta measure here, give a piece cut, which I did by a 90 because originally I wanted to go through my cab, or through my firewall into my cab. But then this kit I bought came with this, and I was like, well, that should block a lot of the mud, so I'm going with the air box instead of kind of a big giant 4.5 inch hole in my firewall. All right, so I kind of have my hose clamps on there, so stuff starts to stay together a little bit better. Alignment don't look too bad. It'll flex some. We'll go ahead and I'm gonna take a measurement. Looks like like 3.5. We'll go with 3.5. I'm gonna mark the several locations and I wrap a piece of tape around it so I can kind of keep my line halfway straight. Now, it's about as straight as I can get. Choppy choppy. Peel a tape off for you to see how far off of my tape it was. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's cut. It's definitely cut. Well, I got it in. I just need 3 more clamps. I want to start it up to see if I'm sure it sounds a little bit different, maybe. I don't know. Let's see what it sounds like when it's running. The carb leaks a little bit. You can hear a little bit of inhale here. So I guess I'm all done with this. Next time you see this truck, will be at the mud bog with my buddies. I'd like to say thanks for watching. You have a great day. Go get your ass dirty like me. Beautiful singing voice. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful singing voice. And the hood still closes.